Hey guys, welcome to my channel. This usually isn't the type of thing I cover on my channel. However, WOWCATCH reached out to me and sent me their flying insect light trap to check out and get my honest opinion after use. Since it plugs into the wall and qualifies as tech, I said, sure, why not? Who doesn't want to get rid of flying pests? Since this is a low power device, it can stay plugged in and work 24/7 continuously. It claims to catch all kinds of flying insects and is people and pet friendly. No chemical insecticides means no smell. This box comes with one device and count 'em, 4 glue cards. The left side of the box just shows what this thing is with a view of the front and back of the device, noting that there are refills available. The back of the box has an easy 3-step process on its use, and just as easy 4-step process on how to replace the glue card. Meanwhile, the right side of the box shows the unit plugged into a wall outlet and suggests it can be used anywhere. Let me now go ahead and open this thing up. Let's see. The first thing up top is a small pamphlet with safety, warning, and warranty information provided. Next, pulling out the plastic packaging, we have the WOWCATCH unit itself. This here is the light shield or glue card housing, which has a clean minimalistic look with subtle diamond texture. And right on the back is one of the 4 included glue cards pre-installed. Next, we have the wall unit, which also has a clean minimalistic look that is two-tone in white and light gray. At the top of this, we see the 2 UVA LEDs that insects will be attracted to when illuminated. And here in this groove is a limit switch that will activate the LEDs when the glue card housing is attached. Removing the styrofoam packaging reveals the non-polarized plug, rated at 1.5 watts of power usage. Underneath the plastic packaging, we find our 3 extra glue card refills. Nice! Now, according to the instructions, you first plug the unit into the wall outlet vertically. Then, after removing the protective film, take note of this section of the housing and slide it into the wall unit's groove to activate it. So this is the side you'll see when plugged into the wall outlet. For demonstration, when the trap is full, just pull the housing off, grab the bottom edge of the glue card, and throw it away. To refill, grab a new glue card, slide it in from the bottom, grab the large pull tab, and pull up towards the top edge of the housing. Now, I'll go ahead and go plug this in for real. I've decided to plug this up in my front room where I watch TV most of the time, where the front door is literally behind me, where I figure most bugs will come in, especially when it's dark and I see them flying around in front of the movie or show I'm watching, just taunting me. We'll see how it does. During the day, the light is unobtrusive and I really do like the design. So, here's the first night, and this is what the WOWCATCH looks like in a dark room. Puts off a nice blue light, so makes a really good night light. Okay, so it's been one day, so let's check out what this WOWCATCH has caught so far. It looks like it's working. There's 2 or 3 gnats on there so far. So we'll put it back on and check after 2 days and then 3 days. Okay, so it's the middle of the second day, so let's see if the WOWCATCH has caught any other bugs. So looking at the sticky surface, it looks like it caught maybe 2 or 3 more gnats. What I think I'm going to go ahead and do is move it and put it in the kitchen and see if we can't catch a few more. And we'll check this out on the 3rd day. Okay, so I've gone ahead and unplugged it from the front room, and I'm going to go ahead and plug it in here at the coffee bar station on the back wall of my kitchen. First, I'll plug in the wall unit, then slide the housing on that has that same glue card, and we'll see how this goes. Well, it's the 3rd day, so let's check out the trap. Quite a bit of gnats on there, so let me get it under better lighting to check it out. Now that I have it under better lighting, let's see everything that was caught. Well, it definitely did its job. I asked my household if they noticed less gnats, and they said they haven't seen any lately. So, score WOWCATCH 1, gnats 0. There is still quite a bit of space on this glue card, so I'll continue to use it for now. I really like that what they advertise on the tin is exactly what you get. Running silently with no odors or chemicals, making it safe to be around, and no mess, smell, or sound from bug zapping. Can't beat that. My final thoughts are, if you're looking at the more expensive Zero brand, I say definitely check this out instead and save the money because WOWCATCH is a better value. At the time of filming this, the cost of this kit is almost $11 less expensive with one more glue card than Zevo's value pack. I'll leave a link in the description where you can pick one up yourself if interested. Have these types of traps worked for you? Leave a comment below. I hope you found this video useful. If you did, please hit that like button and subscribe for any other videos I upload. Thanks for watching.